Dom here from Essential RC, second time out with the 70mm Viper from FMS. Trimmed it out, took a little while to do that, and some fairly high aerobatics, but some low passes on the last flight. Really liked it. Flies exactly as you'd expect, real pure aerobatics, like, you know, like a knife through butter, and really lands nice and slow as well. So let's get it in the air again and let's see how much harder I can push it. Pulling up. Loves knife edge. Oh, yes.
Lower.
Lower?
Lower. There it is, there it is, yeah.
Well, you can't do that going uphill. You start low and you end up in the ground. Wow! Proper, proper knife edge machine. You could just do that left and right all day long. Going up. Don't ask me why I did that, I don't know. Oh. Blimey.
You enjoy that?
I did, you know, and I'm glad that you willed me to do a lower knife edge pass, because oh my god, that was just amazing. You don't expect it from a small kind of 70mm EDF jet, but it does. It's so accurate when you fly it, if you got the rates right. So that's it. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Jay on camera as always. Be back soon on Essential RC. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my god! Thought I was going to put that in.
There it is. There it is.